How to connect your Discord account with your Spotify account. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to connect your Discord easy and fast in less than 1 minute with your Spotify account. So first thing, go to Discord. This is the homepage as you can see right here. Now go down and click on this option down here. After you click it on this option, now it will take you to this page. On this page you will find many settings. Now the only thing that you have to go in is click on connections. After you click on connections, it will take you to this page right here. Now here you will find all your connections, and if you want to add your Spotify, click here on the add option in the top corner. As you can see, now here you will find Spotify easy and fast. Just click on it and you will be able to connect it easy and fast. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.